Why, hello there. This is the Flex Pro case from Antec. We're going to be building an awesome rig in this case, worth around $8,000 for a client of mine. That includes an RTX 5090 and also includes the Meg Godlike motherboard from MSI. Oh, baby. Also, a metric shit ton of RAM, and we just ordered a 705 class series Corsair Gen 5 NVMe SSD, 4 terabytes, and get this, that drive has a 14,000 megabytes per second read speed and approximately 12,000 megabyte write speed. Holy crap, that's fast. So, I do want to give this thing some careful fan service because, well, like Mega Man and Spaceballs, it goes from suck to blow. So let's dive in. We're going to have some fun tonight. Time to get screwy. Sorry, the jokes are bad. Anywho, we're going to go and open up and unwrap this motherboard. This is a absolutely amazing board. It is the Meg Z890 Godlike Intel Edition from MSI. It's about $1,000, and it is a lot of motherboard. It is the mother of all motherboards. It is the Zarmamba. Yes. Come on now. Oh, she's got a GERF certificate. Check out that greebling. Woo-wee. There you go. Now, why this motherboard? It's simple. It wasn't the cost, actually. I mean, we could spend money on a gold-plated bling-bling from, like, Gigabyte for all I care. No, the reason why we bought this motherboard is pretty important. It has got 4 Thunderbolt ports. 2 are Thunderbolt 5, 2 are Thunderbolt 4, which is pretty damn good. It's got 10 gig Ethernet, which is also future-proof, as you can get right now, and it holds up to a 1/4 terabyte of RAM in the future. And it's got a lot of USB-C and a lot of USB-A. It is just the yes board. Now, oh, but on Intel. That's correct. To get Thunderbolt 5, you need Intel. Sorry, AMD is being snougy. However, let's go into carefully. Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. She's got the bling bling. Look at the damn Meg Z890 Godlike. Okay, let's beyond the norm, meet Godlike. Oh. It's oh, hello. Is it hinge or? Oh. Look at, oh my God. It even rises up to the occasion. That's pretty cool. Look, okay, as an Apple asshole, you can't tell me this is not excess. We're not gonna touch it much. I don't have my straps on right now, but there you go. Meg. It's the Megatron. Nope. Damn, it feels good to be a gangster of technology. Just woof. Meow. Bark. Damn. Interesting. Oh, wow. It's even got a button for that, too. It's got a GPU eject button. That's kind of funny. But yeah, here's your Meg Godlike. I mean, I think we have now managed to hit the spot here. We're just going to close this thing and put it back in here. I'm actually impressive. That's a big motherboard. Oh, okay. Keep out of reach of children. I agree with that sentiment. This is an adult board. Rated A for adult. Okay, this one here, because damn. Oh. Well, there you go. Tomorrow I gotta do a broadcast show for some clients. After that, we're gonna put this board in that beautiful case, and we're gonna rizz up this computer. And I'm sorry, Linus. You should build a build like this. This is the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Let's give it a power on test. All rise. We've got that fully assembled. SSD is in. RAM is in properly. GPU is secure. I'm going to apply power. And we're going to rizz with the TISM. Ooh. Oh, that, dude, the airflow in this thing. Put your head in here.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's really nice.
Put your hand here.
That's actually better.
That's the air from your rads.
Yeah.
I put your hand on top. That's the air escaping the case.
Yeah, that actually feels more powerful than the fan.
Oh yeah.
Get a little bit of a off to it.